How to see your old username on Instagram. Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you exactly that. To do this, all you need to do is open up Instagram. So, you've been using Instagram for quite some time and you want to change your username again, or you want to see your old username because you've changed it so much and for whatever reason you need your old username, or you want to see someone else's username. To do this, you just go to your profile by clicking on the very bottom right here, and then you go to the top and click on the three little lines here, and what you want to click next is your activity. Once we're in this menu, you want to go to account history right here. Scroll to the bottom again and select username. Once you select username, you can see all the old usernames that you've used and from what you've changed to and what you can change to again. And that's it. Hope this helps. If it does, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.